Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to earn referral bonuses with SoFi. Referral bonuses are a great way to maximize your earnings while sharing valuable financial services with friends and family. Let's dive in. Step 1. Create your SoFi account. If you haven't already, the first step is to create a SoFi account. Visit the SoFi website or download the SoFi app. Sign up by entering your personal details and completing the verification process. Once your account is set up, you'll have access to a range of financial products, as well as the referral program. Step 2. Locate the referral program. After logging into your account, navigate to the referral section. You can typically find this in the menu under Refer a Friend or a similar title. Here, you'll see your unique referral link, which you will share with others. Step 3. Share your unique referral link. Copy your referral link and share it with your friends, family, or on social media. Make sure to explain the benefits of joining SoFi, such as no fees, competitive interest rates, and an array of financial services. The more people you share it with, the better your chances of earning bonuses. Step 4. Encourage signups. For you to earn a referral bonus, the people you refer must sign up through your link. Encourage them to do so by highlighting the perks they will receive, such as cash bonuses or free financial advice for new users. The more convincing you are, the more signups you'll likely achieve. Step 5. Track your earnings. Once your referrals are signed up and meet any specified requirements, you'll start to see your referral bonuses reflected in your SoFi account. Keep an eye on your earnings in the referral section, where you can also see how many people have signed up through your link. Step 6. Enjoy your bonuses. Once the referral bonus is deposited into your account, feel free to use it as you wish. Whether you reinvest it into your financial goals or treat yourself, it's a great reward for sharing SoFi with others. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on how to make the most of your financial opportunities.